Hello everyone. Let us see question number 38b. What are the changes that occur in a flower after fertilization? ಇಲ್ಲಿ fertilization in a flower. ಯಾವ ತರ? We know that flower having male and female part. Male part is stamen and female part is pistil. ಈಗ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಮೇಲ್ germ cells enters to ovule. Ovule ಅಲ್ಲಿ egg cells ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Ovaries ಅಲ್ಲಿ ovule ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Ovule ಅಲ್ಲಿ egg cell ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Each ovule having single egg cell. ಆ egg cell ಜೊತೆ fuse ಆಗಿ zygote ಅನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Then embryo, then seed formation ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ what are the changes that occur in a flower after fertilization? Fertilization ಆಗಿದೆ. Male germ cell fused with female germ cell. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? After fertilization, the zygote divides several times inside the egg, producing an embryo. Embryo produce ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ? This zygote divides several times inside the egg. The petals, sepals, stamens, pistils and stigmas fall off easily. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ easily fall off ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. The egg develops a thick layer that slowly changes into a seed. ಈ egg ಏನಿದೆ ಈ ತರ thick layer ಅನ್ನ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳುತ್ತೆ that slowly changes into seed. The ovary grows rapidly. This is the ovary. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ovary ಇತ್ತು. Ovary grows rapidly, matures and ripens. These are the changes we can observe. Thank you.